car in reverse.
Oh my god.
Yo, that is so stupid.
Okay.
Go. I don't even know who to say won.
I don't know what, I felt like that was a draw.
Guys, we were both like this. Let me say this. I won, but I think she would have beat me if we kept going. You know what, guys? I'm gonna call that a tie. Woo! Alright, guys. High five. Give me a high five. Honestly, did you ready to go? Let's go. Alright, mommy, why are you holding onto the seat? Are you scared? I'm not sure if you've seen these new filters they have on Snapchat. Check this out.
Sorry, this filter shows like the sexy side of me, guys. Hi everyone, how you all doing? How you all doing? I missed you so.
That is disgusting.
Say my name, no one is around you. Say baby I love you, you ain't running game. Say my name, say my name.